Chickens can't fly. I am a chicken. I want to fly. I have wings, and I have feathers too. But all the birds tease me. They say I am too fat to fly. That is not true. Well, maybe it is a little true. Peacock! I just have to flap my wings harder. It's no big deal. Turkey, duck, and goose want to take flying lessons. I will join them. We all dream about flying someday. Do not go out. Mother said, don't go outside. It's going to rain. But I wanted to play outside. So I went out anyway. The weather was very nice. But soon I felt raindrops on my head. Then it began to rain. I went home as fast as I could. When I got home, I was soaking wet. I should have stayed home like Mother told me.
We are quite different. Here is someone quite different from me. When I play basketball, she would rather cheer on the benches. When I eat pancakes and eggs, I like to eat the pancakes, but she would rather eat the eggs. I like rainy days, but she likes the sun much better. We are quite different, but I like it that way.
Sunday mornings are the best because I can stay home. Nothing is waiting for me, so I can wake up any time I want. But I wake up early and walk out of my bedroom in my pajamas so I can watch cartoons on TV. And I have pancakes with syrup. It's my favorite breakfast. Home sweet home.
My friends are fun to be with. They make me laugh, and we have lots of fun together. Last winter, we went skiing in the mountains. In the spring, we have many picnics. Sometimes we laugh loud in class. Oops, we're in trouble again. We will study hard in class from now on and have fun outside.
Here is a big honey tree. I will fetch some honey for my mother. Mother warns me not to eat it on the way home. You will have a stomachache, she says. When I reach the big tree, I put honey in the honey pot. But it looks so delicious. I will just taste it. When I come home, the pot is empty. And I have a bad stomachache, like my mother said.
I will clean my room today. It is such a mess. I cannot find anything. It is like a jungle. My dresser is dusty. The window panes are smeared. And there is dirty laundry under my bed. Ugh! I wonder how this happened. I need a broom, dustpan, vacuum, and rags. All set now. I roll up my sleeves. Let's get started. He is a soccer coach. He trains the soccer team to play well. Sometimes he is tough, and sometimes he is quite harsh with words, though at times he can be very gentle. But we still love our coach, because it's all for the best. We have a game next week. We are competing with the Tigers, so our coach makes us practice even harder.
There are many animals at the circus. They do many tricks. Dogs can walk on their back legs. Bears can juggle balls. One day, the circus came to our town. We saw many fascinating things. We saw lions jump through the fire. There were monkeys balancing the tightrope. We ate cotton candy and drank soda. What a show it was!